This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paul Vacco. Absolutely adorable 2-bedroom, 2-bath home situated on an oversized corner lot at 4875 Tahiti Lane, Naples, Florida 34112. This charming property boasts a prime Naples location and offers a split-bedroom floor plan, providing privacy and functionality for everyday living. The spacious kitchen is a true highlight, featuring a large garden window that fills the space with natural light, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee or tending to an indoor herb garden. The 1.5-car garage offers plenty of room for storage and a hobby workbench, making it ideal for DIY projects or extra storage needs. The beautifully landscaped front and side yards are adorned with mature Bismark Palm and Poinciana trees, adding a touch of natural elegance to the property. Don't miss the opportunity to make this lovely home your own. For more information, review the details below or contact Paul Vacco at 239-776-1960.